Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to render and save video in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the DaVinci Resolve software on your PC and start by creating a new project. After that, you will be sent to this editor. Now, import the target video that you would like to render. After the video is imported, click and drag it onto the timeline at the bottom. Once done, go to the Effects tab at the top of the screen and add any preferred effect to the video by clicking and dragging it. After applying the effects, go to the Delivery tab from the bottom and click on the Browse button at the left side of your screen. Now, select the export location. After that, change the video format to MP4, select the preferred encoder, choose the preferred quality along with the FPS, and then scale the quality to high. Once done, click on the Add to Render Queue button and rendering will be started. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.